Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting question. To solve log to base y of x squared times log to base z of y cubed times log to base x of z power 4. So the first thing we're going to do is apply the third law of logarithms by just multiplying each log by the power. So we're going to have 2 log to base y of x times this one, that is 3 log to base z of y times this is 4 log to base x of z. So the second part is if we have log to base a of b, that is the same as log of b over the log of a. So let us apply this for each and every term in that product. So for the first one, we're going to have 2, then this is the same as log of x over log of y times this one is 3 times this will be log of y over log of z times 4, and this will be the log of z over the log of x. So now these are products, so it means you can cancel similar terms. So for the first case, we have log y and log y, then we have log z and log z, then we have log x and log x. So what we are left with is 2 times 3 times 4. 2 times 3 times 4, which you'll find to be 24. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.